everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry for my appearance, but this is mom life and I really need to wash my hair. Anyway, so today I'm doing a Target haul, and this is going to be a collaboration with my good friend Brittany Boren Leach. We met from YouTube, like on YouTube. We haven't actually met in person yet, but one day we will. We met on YouTube months ago. She just had her third little boy, and I was a boy mom up until now. I am 25 weeks pregnant with my first baby girl, so we kind of connected through that. And she's just an amazing mom, so make sure you go ahead and check out her Target haul. She also does like tons of videos like mine, cleaning videos, lifestyle related vlogs, cooking, cleaning, you name it. I think I said cleaning twice, but again, mom life. So let's get started on this haul. This actually turned out to be a pretty big haul. First I'm going to start with my dollar spot finds. I got Carter some happy birthday napkins, and he's actually having a party at school to celebrate his summer birthday, which is June 20th. He was born on our 1-year wedding anniversary, the best gift ever. But they're celebrating it tomorrow at school. So I got just some happy birthday napkins from the dollar spot, and they were each $1 a piece. These were $3 a piece, and this is for his birthday party, which is gonna be in June. He was born on June 20th, and his birthday party is gonna be on June 16th. And we're doing a dinosaur theme, so those are just like pretty much the colors that go like with the dinosaur decor. Staying on the party theme, I got this from the dollar spot. It kind of looks like the silver balloons, and it was just $3. I'm gonna have this out someplace at his party, either like holding down napkins or tying some balloons to it as a balloon weight. I thought that was really cute. They had some other words in different colors as well. This I got to wear on 4th of July. I was gonna say St. Patrick's Day. I don't know why. Staying on the 4th of July theme, getting with my girlfriend and all of her little toddlers. She has a boy and 2 girls. So I got them all little cute sunglasses from Dollar Spot to wear for a picture. So stay tuned for that picture. Instagram at t.beaston. We'll see what that actually turns out like. But these were so cute, and for $1 I had to. Also picked up these little happy birthday, I guess like little tin things. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but again, it's just like the pops of color go with the dinosaur, so it's just easy. They started putting their Father's Day stuff out today, so I just got Chris this cute little mug. We're big coffee drinkers. It says, "Our MVP Dad." And I want to see if somehow I can get the boys' handprint on here. So if you have any tips on how to do that, because I don't want it to just like instantly wash off, comment below and let me know what you think I should use. I know like a lot of you guys are really good with crafts and things like that, so I would love to know. And then they also had a lot of Father's Day cards out there as well. Here's some more 4th of July stuff. I just got the kids some glow sticks for 4th of July. They come in packs of 3 and they're $1. Next, for Carter's birthday, I basically have just been picking up little things that I found that are dinosaur related, because again, dinosaurs are life to him right now. I found like a canvas bag in the dollar spot at a different shop, like a different shopping trip, but they still actually had them today. They're like little canvas bags with dinosaurs on them that he could totally use as a beach bag, but I'm gonna put like a bunch of little gifts in it. That's like what he really enjoys. Like he likes the little stuff. Like there's nothing that like really big that he wants. However, I do also want to get him like a VTech little camera because he loves that kind of stuff. So he is so into exploring right now. So I saw these binoculars and just thought it was perfect. And this was $3. The little color twist bath fizz balls are basically like the bath bombs that us mamas use, but they change colors. We've gotten these before and he loves that. Again, it's the little things in life. This is a paint your own dinosaur fossil. He loves painting. Like he's so into that kind of stuff, which makes me happy because I was an art major before I was a nurse. Again, this will be in his birthday gift. And so will this jumbo sticker pad that's dinosaurs. This was all in the dollar spot. So that's everything for my dollar spot. Now I'm gonna move on to like the boys stuff. I got them these PJ Masks bathing suits. They're really into PJ Masks. These were $11.99. Got a 4T and a 2T for Carter and Tanner. The little UPF shirts that go with it for both of them as well. These were $11.99. And then Cat and Jack is like the best because they're so inexpensive and they have like a great guarantee on their clothes. Like if anything happens to them, they'll replace them. So I just got them these bathing suits as well. Sorry, my dogs are crying in the background because they want to go outside with my mom and Carter. These more UPF shirts. This is also Cat and Jack. Let me focus this. Just super cute and $9.99. They literally like live in these in the summer. We're outside constantly. We're never inside. We are in the water table, in the sandbox, playing in the yard, exploring. We found a little robin's egg the other day and Carter like talks about it every single day. I actually had to take a picture of it on my cell phone because he loved it so much and just wanted to keep seeing it. It was just like so fascinating to him. So we're always outside exploring. One last thing like related to the boys is this. I have been using this sunblock since Carter was basically allowed to have sunblock on at 6 months. This is Baby Ganix Mineral Sunscreen. It's 50. But for some reason, this is the only thing that works on my boys. I've tried like the Copper Tone Water Babies and I've tried other like more inexpensive things. And again, like legit things, like the legit sunblock, but like the cheaper brands, and my boys still get color with it and I really don't like that. So this mineral sunscreen is $12.99, but if it's gonna save my kids from skin damage and sunburn, I'll pay that. Definitely recommend that to you guys, like for the mamas and everything. And again, it's Baby Ganix Mineral Sunscreen. Going along with the random things, we just needed these. These are the dryer sheets that we use. They smell amazing and it's all we use. I only use them on mine and Chris's clothes because I wash the boys' stuff in Dreft and I don't use dryer sheets because they have really sensitive skin. More household, guys. I was so excited to find this. You know, I'm a big fan of Grove Collaborative. In every description box of my video, I have a link for you to get free cleaning products from there. I am gung-ho Grove Collaborative. What's on my shirt? Probably yogurt from Tanner. But I found Peony Scent at Target and they never have this scent. It is sold out everywhere because it is like, you know how I feel about sea salt and lime method and grapefruit method cleaning spray. It's my jam, but this is like my all new addiction. It smells so good. I have the dish soap because that's all that Grove had at the time for me to order, and that's when I got hooked on it. I got a blowout in Vegas and it was amazing at the blow dry bar. I don't know why my camera keeps defocusing. And they used a brush like this. So when I saw it on sale, on clearance for $5.48, I had to get it. And it says thermal barrel and boar bristles for a smooth look and added shine. So I mean, it takes much longer, in my opinion, to blow dry your hair with a round brush. Usually I'm just like crazy with it, but if you want your blowout to like last a few days, I definitely recommend using a brush like this. Also, when I went to Vegas, I bought like a little travel size of lotion to bring with me, and it was this scent, and I had to get the big bottle of it because it smells so good and makes your skin feel amazing. What scent is it? It just says 100% virgin coconut oil, but it smells so good, and again, it just like leaves your skin feeling amazing. I do use just straight up coconut oil on my belly to avoid stretch marks. So far so good, but baby girl is giving me a run for my money already, so if she gives me a little stretch mark, it's a small price to pay. And now, moving on to the food items I got my favorite gluten-free Mission Wraps as well as my favorite turkey bacon, but I had to break into them before I did this haul because I was so hungry, and one of my biggest cravings is that turkey bacon with avocado on the gluten-free wrap with an egg. and cheese. That's like my jam. I love that. And so I had to rip that open, but I'll do a little overlay. They got a baby watermelon. These are just so good and sweet right now compared to the other watermelons. So when Target had these, I had to grab one. Also, like I said, we're doing Carter's birthday party at school tomorrow. So I got these funfetti, like the cupcake mix. We're gonna make that. And I'm gonna put like little dinosaurs on top of it. And then I also had a craving for that, so I had to get myself the gluten-free version so I can make it. I feel really sorry for his teachers, but I got aqua blue icing. It just looked so fun, I couldn't say no, but I'm packing napkins with it, so. And then, last but not least, my favorite gluten-free muffins. These are bomb, and it's really hard to not eat all 4 of them at once, but considering they're over $5 for 4 of them, I take my time with it. The kids actually really like these too, and so does Chris, so it's a family favorite. So that is it for my haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and again, if you're new here, I'd love to have you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more hauls. I got a lot of baby girl stuff coming up, so if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you're subscribed. We're doing her nursery. I'm having my sprinkle. I'm going to vlog that, and I'm just going to do like an overall haul of everything that we have for her so far. I do cleaning videos, everything lifestyle related, so I'd love to have you. And if you are my subscriber, make sure you check out Brittany's video. I know that you'll love her. So thank you all again so much for watching, and I hope to have you here on my channel, subscribing.